check the level of your English language with these extraordinary phrases. Here we go. Eat humble pie. To admit mistake with humility. After his prediction failed, he had to eat humble pie and apologize. Eat your words. To take back what was said. She laughed at my idea, but when it succeeded, she had to eat her words. To meet trouble halfway. To anticipate and worry unnecessarily. Stop meeting trouble halfway. Wait and see what happens first. Within an ace of, very close to something. He was within an ace of winning the championship. Losing ground, failing or being overtaken. The company is losing ground to its competitors. Won laurels, gained recognition or success. She won laurels for her outstanding research. Won spurs, earned respect or distinction. The young officer won his spurs in battle. Play fast and loose. To act irresponsibly or dishonestly. He played fast and loose with the company's finances and got caught. Hold water. To be logically sound. His argument doesn't hold water in any way. By hook or by crook. By any means necessary. He was determined to succeed by hook or by crook. All intents and purposes. Practically speaking. For all intents and purposes, the deal was finalized. Do not hang together. To lack coherence. His excuses do not hang together. They contradict each other. Flesh and blood, human nature, or relatives. She is my own flesh and blood. I can't turn my back on her. Without reserve. Completely and openly. He shared his thoughts. Without reserve. Gaining ground. Making progress or advancing. Our team is gaining ground in the tournament. On and off. Occasionally, intermittently. It rained on and off all day, off and on. Occasionally, sporadically. He visits his hometown off and on. At one, in agreement or harmony. They were at one on the matter of justice. In good part. Taken well, without offense. He took the criticism in good part. Make a mark. To leave a lasting impression. She made a mark in the fashion industry with her innovative designs.